YouTube Nation, it's for your success. Dr. Brandon for Mount Scott Trail. We're headed to a viewpoint, 2.5 miles to the summit, 1,200 feet, the tallest peak in Crater Lake National Park. That's where we're headed, to the top of Mount Scott. Good day to you, YouTube. As I've said, I'm for your success. We're going to hike to the top of the tallest peak here in Crater Lake National Park, or the side of formerly a very large volcano. It's October, it's during the week. That means no one's here. The summer rush is over, and Crater Lake is mostly closed. A lot of the park areas are still open with places to buy gear, so on and so forth. Closed a few weeks ago. So that means you and I are going to have the trail all to ourselves as we make our way to the top of Mount Scott. Making my way up. A little view of Crater Lake. It'll get better as the elevation goes up. Just heading up the switchbacks. Good advice. Getting close. And the views are getting better and better. Top of Mount Scott. Hard to get the entire Crater Lake, but I almost got it all from the summit. Amazing view of this lake. It's the clearest lake in the world, over 1,500 feet deep. This all used to be a giant volcano. If you look out in the distance, your eyes do not fool you. That is smoke. That is a fire. And when I bring you to this side as well, another fire. It is almost mid-October, and fires still prevalent in Oregon. Right down at the bottom, you can see a few cars parked. That's where the trailhead is. Very easy hike to follow. Beautiful hike here. Crater Lake National Park. It's wonderful to come here when it's not busy. Crater Lake, beautiful day. Just gorgeous views all around. This is a great trail, well maintained. It's in a national park. Great views all around. 5 miles round trip. Not a whole lot of elevation to get to great vantage points. I'm enjoying the hike down. Finishing up this hike. But the adventure is not over yet. One more place we need to go. Like I said, we're not done. Got another hike in store for you today. We're going down to the lake. 2.2 miles round trip. 700-foot drop. Time to dip my toes. It's all switchback as we head down to Crater Lake. Doing a little bit of work on the trail this morning. It's hard to describe how clear the water is. You can see very, very far. I think due to lighting, it just doesn't justify the true depth that you can see in person. Oh man, what a great day. I'm just down here relaxing by Crater Lake. I'm gonna have some lunch, enjoy the views. Behind me is Mount Scott. Did that hike earlier. And now I'm gonna go for a dip. Maybe. Temp's about 50 degrees. Water temp, that is. Maybe another time. Give me the thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Thanks so much for subscribing. I'm for your success. Dr. Brandon for telling you to get out on the trails. Appreciate what we've got. Take care.